Repligen seeks joint partnerships with companies in leadership positions in industries that offer attractive markets for products created through biotechnology. Our partners supply a knowledge of their industry's needs and an established international marketing channel to deliver our products to end users. We, in turn, provide the biotechnical expertise and the kind of creative environment in which academic scientists can thrive.
Repligen is applying biotechnology to solve problems of the pulp and paper industry. We're doing this by using enzymes. Enzymes that, when used, can reduce the energy requirement to make a mechanical pulp, they can bleach effluents, and they can prevent brightness reversion. Now, the advantage of using enzymes over the chemical agents that are now being used is that they're very selective and they won't harm useful wood fibers. They're also natural biological molecules, and so they won't pollute the environment when introduced back into it. And the most exciting part is that we can engineer these enzymes so that we can fine-tune them so that they'll be active under whatever pulping conditions warrant. And that's regarding either temperature or pressure or whatever conditions that the enzymes have to be used at. It all sums up that we can make a better quality pulp product at reduced energy requirements. And that's all because of the Repligen biotechnology.
The focus of our research efforts is not the only reason we're unique. What really sets us apart from the rest of our industry is the essential ingredient in everything we do: our creative ability. It is our creative ability that has led to the discovery of breakthrough technologies and to the development of revolutionary new substances. And it is our creative ability that will keep us at the technological forefront, to our benefit and to the benefit of the companies with whom we work. Repligen, superior products and problem solving through biotechnology.